So I am Craig Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. And this piece I'm gonna do is called Legends Leaving Us. Last September when I looked, it was the passing of reggae legend Toots. Few weeks after that, Daddy U-Roy passed, R.I.P., another icon embedded in our hearts. Yesterday after I got the news, reggae icon Bunny Wailer died. Today I'm still not in a happy mood. Miss Lou, Bob Andy inspired many. Michael Sharp, I'm a general loved by many. Now me left Jamaica and come overseas, Kobe and DMX gone. The legends are leaving us, how I really are gone. Bob Marley, Garnet Silk and Dennis Brown. Honestly, I still wish you were around. Because some treat the business like a circus, too much clowns. Globally, loved ones are grieving, feeling hurt. Even while I'm speaking, some weeping, the legends are leaving Earth. Powerful black men were put to death. Call it whatever you want. This is a total mess. If it's not sickness, it's murder. Go on, feel free to check. I'm not cold, I speak bold until my last breath. Shabit Boozman gone too soon. I'm still saying Wakanda forever. My people be wise and realize we are stronger together. Babylon I want to rise, them tell lies and act like them clever. Some say Black Lives Matter. Let's see if they go get better. But how can it be better when they're divided and ignorant, destruction, confusion, no progression with ignorance? You're too busy on TikTok watching Gallida comedy jokes. I see you twerking on IG, not paying attention to the posts I wrote. We're powerful together, all we need is support. Seek knowledge, increase the vocabulary, for life is no jokes. Be careful of the foods you consume, cause poisonous stuff in what they promote. Who created all these diseases and viruses and claim there's no antidote? The great legends are gone and I'm feeling provoked. This is no joke. My cult will make people stay woke. Are the legends really leaving us, or are they being killed? I'm somewhat bewildered, it's just a question I'm asking still. As my mind navigates to invade my thoughts, why? Evil men reign longer and good one die early. This concern me, and I won't lie. Marcus Garvey, Jamaica's first national hero, one of the world's greatest men, uniting my people all over for Africa was his greatest plans. New story revealed, he met his demise after suffering a stroke. I think they took him out purposely, and this is no jokes. It's obvious they want to get rid of a powerful black man. I will not sit and be silent. My spoken words explode like bombs. I wish someone would confess about the death of Dr. Sebi, the man who cured many diseases, including AIDS, on the things saying crazy. On February 21st, 1965, Malcolm X assassinated. April 4th, 68, in the States, Martin Luther King Jr. assassinated. Tupac, Biggie, Nipsey, murdered. They think that's coincidence? Once you have power with the people, then delete you, and that's evident. The legends are leaving us, only God know why. Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, and Prince, we rate them till the day I die. Aaliyah, she was so young when she lost her life in a plane crash. The whole world cried. Gandhi, a great man, assassinated. Why? I could not complete my list of legends and not mention King Selassie. Rest in peace, all the great legends. Work well done. Our ancestors fought long for us to get freedom. Educate yourselves. I will not sit and be silent. Me not mute, I'm not dumb. Our journey continues perpetually like the rise of the sun. Tell it precisely. Check my book out, it's on Amazon. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. It's a pleasure to be here. Funda Fest, it's a fun in the fest. Maximum respect.
Blessings, blessings.